Hey, hi, hello, and howdy. I'm Mushy, and you're you. Hello, you. And we're here at Dark and Creepy Diamond Painting for an event completion and a WiP parade. So let me show you what I did. Ta-da! Here is my first event completion. This was a 40 by 50 round drill from Temu. Cost $5.58 and had 22 colors. And here it is. I am really impressed with how it turned out. Really, I am. I don't like snakes, and I really like this. I like the fact that, you can see that it has pink in there throughout, and all the different snake heads that came peeking out kind of creep me out a little bit. You can definitely make out flowers here. They're nested in a flower bush. Looks menacing with its pink eyes. I actually just really like this one. So it had kind of a balance of color blocking and confetti, and it's also the reason why the WiP parade is a little later than normal schedule, because I was up until 1 or 2 o'clock this morning finishing this sucker up so that I could be in the WiP parade too. So yeah, here it is, you guys. Let me know, what do you think about our first completion for Pink and Black 2025? So before we get into the WiP parade, let me just kind of tell you a little bit about what's been going on. So our Pink and Black 2025 event, co-hosted by crafty ishKristyn here on YouTube. Please go check her out if you haven't already. Is focusing all month on canvases that are predominantly pink and black. You can have other colors in there or whatever, but we're really focusing on a heavy pink black presence. As you can see, there's a heavy white presence here. There is pink and there is black, so it counted. I'm about to show you a list of over 100 people that signed up on Dark and Creepy Diamond Painting to be included in the WiP parade and event shenanigans. But if you haven't, go check out crafty ishKristyn, because let me tell you what, she also has a WiP parade, but it's not going to be the exact same WiP parade, my friends. Nay. She also had a list of over 100 participants, and I took a look at the lists, and there's a little bit of crossover, a few names that are on both sides, but for the vast majority, different people participating on both sides. So you'll see a lot more new names and a lot more new art. So don't think just because you've seen one parade, you've seen it all. There's almost 200 participants in this event, and I want to make sure that you get to see them all. So definitely go see Kristyn over at crafty ishKristyn. The link to her channel will be in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's get into the WiP parade. Okay, Sundown, I'm done recording. Let me pause it real quick.
All right.
Okay, it's paused. All right, so did you make the call?
Yeah, I called the DPP Diamond Painting Police.
Okay.
I let the report anonymous, so no one knows what it is.
All right, good. I was worried about that.
I did leave my number. And
the business number, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
In case they need, in case I need to talk to someone, because hopefully they don't, because I hate talking to people. But that's on a different day.
Okay, so they don't know who we are, but you left a contact number that isn't like directly linked to us. It's the business number.
It's the business number.
Okay.
And luckily that's under Witchy Hazel.
Oh, okay. Good. Oh, good. So they'll get the hag if they call.
Yeah. So I'm kind of like covering all tracks here.
Okay. Oh, that's great. So you reported Kristyn?
Yes.
Okay, and then are we supposed to still keep an eye on her and her channel?
Yeah, we're supposed to keep an eye on her channel and her any kind of weird activity. We got to let them know.
Okay.
So.
All right. I don't have a problem narking on Kristyn at all. I mean.
Yeah, me either.
After the past couple months of having to work on this event with her.
Yeah.
I am ready to. I'm ready to be done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, what's that?
Oh, it's the Diamond Painting Police.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. How did they get this number?
I may or may not have given him the
Hi, Lieutenant Diamond from the DPP, reaching back out to you. To provide an update on the case, we have decided to go ahead and pursue against a crafty ishKristyn. Thank you for calling us, the Diamond Painting Police. We have reached out to her and discovered she is non-compliant. We are sending officers out to her location to raid her illegal pink stash. We'll be keeping an eye on her. Thank you again.
Oh my gosh. You said you gave them your mom's number.
Well, I guess I didn't. I can't help it. I'm a natural blonde.
Oh my gosh. So they have our number? They're going to be able to trace that back to us.
We're going to have to move.
Oh, crap. All right, let me go finish this WiP parade so we can get it up and out.
I'm sorry.
Good job, Sundown.
I'm sorry.
Lieutenant Diamond, so like we've got the higher ups and an illegal pink stash. Well, that we didn't really, I mean, we could have guessed that, but so now she has an illegal like goodies stash and an illegal pink stash. We got to keep an eye on that one.
Yeah, we're in trouble.
Yep. Pink and Black 2025 WiP Parade, starting with a special thanks to our shop friends for their support during the event, and a special message from our co-host, Crafty ishKristyn. A special thank you to Rokkari, Bee's Crafty Corner, Ephemera 3D, Kevin's DP Pens, True Vampire Art, and Flowa Designs. Thanks, guys. Here are some channel-inspired papers and event papers at Bee's Crafty Corner Etsy. True Vampire Art has some special pink to black filament just for this event. And now, a very special unique art piece from Rokkari and a message from Kristyn.
You're an absolute monster. Monster.
Well, tell me how you really feel. More Rokkari art, don't forget to use your team codes, guys. And now, starting off the WiP Parade, our co-host, Kristyn.
Well, she was right. Well, she was right. Well, she was right. Well, she was right.
I never get tired of hearing it. Now, let's see how many names I'm going to mess up. Sue Bishop. Jill, Diamond Painting with the Edwards Family, YouTube. Tanya, Devil's Angel Madness, YouTube. Sam Moore. Marilyn Bartsma. Terry Maddox. Eileen, Diamond-Crafts-by-Ilene, YouTube. Julia Klemek. Jack, Diamond Painting with Jack. Oh, hello, kitty. Really? Jackie Kelly. Lynn Stone Bondock. Marie Kidd. Anita Ann Gregory Ramirez. Trisha DeGirolamo. Charlotte Lind. Your middle name was a trap and I skipped it. Jamie at Bass & Girl Crafts, YouTube. Michael E. Stewart. Karen Versaw Stewart. Carrie Jacobson. Donna at Diamond Art Joy, YouTube. Diamonds and Cats, YouTube. Brody at One Drill Equals Fun, YouTube. Lisa Leggett. Margie G. Michelle Nelson. Stephanie Schreiner. Jennifer Parker. Cassandra Priest. Leanne Theriault. Jay Bennett. Samantha LeClaire. Gemma Smith, Jennifer Lindstrom, Alison Pulin, Melissa Brooks, Louise Ventnor, Dawn, Crafty Crone's Life, YouTube, Alexandria Marie Street, Courteny Myers, Robin Eklund, Desiree DeWitts, Arietta, The Crafty Witch UK, YouTube, Debbie, The Crafty Diamond Debbie, YouTube, Margaret Mull, Becky, Purple Princess Diamond Paints, YouTube, Mara, Crafts with Nightingale, YouTube, Lisa Hall, Carolyn Brown, Milana Nighthawk, Lola, Kayla Spry, Desiree Jameson, Rokkari Eve at rokkari-dpa.com, Kathy Getchell, Melissa Sloniker, Tina Howe and her very special pup, Eladia Legak, Veronica Wilson, Frances Levon Russell, Kathryn Jean Young, Dawn Marie, Melissa Diamond Nana, YouTube, Shannon Lee Green, Amy Small, Gena Michelle, Anita Johnson, Penny Brailsford, Nancy Elaine, Tiara Pearson, Denise Gossett, Kim Delger, Renee, Nene's Craft Place, YouTube, Tamara Ray, Javine Ranger. Spoiler, we might be twinsies this month. Lisa Warren, Sharon Hotelin, Jerica Miller, Zelda Earl, Nicole Manning, Laura Joe, KitCatPattiWak, Bridget, also known as the kidnap victim who defected to the pink team, Amanda Lee, Isa Diaz, Teresa Sire, Whitney Mullins, Mary Meat, Mika Gottstein, Samantha Carron, Jennifer Bowen Crockett, Lisa Diamond Painting Lisa, YouTube, Jess Diamond Paints, Leah May, Inga, Katrina, True Vampire Crafts, YouTube, Patricia Rushton, Sammy Bain, Megan Dix, Christy Barton, Spawn of Christy Barton. Hi. Sam Crocker, Yolanda Martinez, Matt Smarachek, Laura Adcock, Joanna Tomczak, Amber Lawyer, The Colorful Colorist. So how'd I do? Hope I didn't butcher anyone's name too bad. Stay naughty!